Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. I am back with another video. This one's a issue that I face every so often. What I have is I'm on my Linux computer and I did a zipper up to run updates. It did scan and find all these updates and it took a prompt for me for yes and downloaded them, went through the installation down to up here, and then what I tried doing is after the updates I started doing Vagrant up to bring up my Jenkins VM, but it failed, and this has happened before, and the error message is very vague. It says command host only f create failed, so it's trying to create a host only adapter, and that failed, and it says failed to open dev vboxnet.ctl, which is again to do with networking, and it says no such file or directory. But the first instinct I had was let's troubleshoot the first time this happened, but the fact that this happened right after doing updates tells me something. So most of the times when you do update your Linux OS, it's a good idea to restart, so I thought maybe that's worthwhile, so I went ahead and restart. So let me pause the video. Alright, so the computer has come back up. I did an uptime and it's been up for a minute. So let's go back in, and I'm in the same directory, Jenkins pipeline. If I do a vagrant up, you see how it's going through now, just bringing up the VM. Okay, perfect. So it has come back up. You can ignore this because it happens all the time, because it's trying to set up a public network. So I think that's how you can fix this. So if you get an error message from VirtualBox straight after your updates, it is probably a good idea to just restart the computer before you start troubleshooting and Googling with this error message. I've wasted 15 minutes the first time it happened, and then I realized that's probably it's a good idea to let you guys know. If you come across anything similar, please feel free to leave comments, like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.